guys, it's Helen Hallman. Today's video, we're running an unboxing / setup of Lord Raven. Here we go. Alrighty, Lord Raven. Pretty big box, pretty big animatronic. Very cool what he does. Head motion, back and forth. Arms go up and down. Got the instructions. Alright, looks like we can take his head out. Wow. That's very cool. Same material for everything. This is the same material as the head. That's like 2 feet long. Very cool. And got some more poles in here. Got 4 B poles zip tied to one into one batch. Got a hip loop piece here. Oh, that's just covering that. Got a giant bag of clothing. Got his adapter, which fell out. It's all good. It's right here. One of his arms, and I like how they're covering the white foam, so exposing the white foam wouldn't be a problem with this guy. Alright, got some cardboard spacing. We got his base. Wow, that's a heavy base. Look at this little support arches right there. That's good to see. Beefy base. Welds look amazing on that. Alrighty, you got his crazy. Wow, those are nuts. Those are wild looking. Long ass fingers and hands. Weird. Very cool though. Alright. This is the part I'm excited for. Holy crow. That is wild. A lot of stuff going on right here. A lot of stuff is going on. Got 3 metal poles and 2 motors. Those 3 metal poles connect to each motor and give it the motion. Don't want to break that. This is what gives the prop the money. Right, that's the money piece right there. Got 2 springs on that. That's everything in the box, and let's start setting them up. Here we go. We got 4 B poles. Doesn't matter. Super heavy duty metal this year. That's what the price range is. I'm hoping that's what it's for. But we'll see what prices are like next year. If they're like this. Again, it's kind of sad, but hopefully this guy's worth it. Definitely looks like he's worth it. Never seen this thick of metal before on a prop. Got the 4 metal poles in. I got the hip loop. Hip loop already comes attached. The snap pins are definitely have more resistance on them. That's a good thing. Hopefully they last. Alrighty. Super good. Mechanism. Protective foam. This is wild. He's like arched forward. So he's like an arching prop. Kind of like hunched over. Alrighty. It's already, yeah, my height. Big boy. Alright. Next step is I haven't even opened the instructions yet. I just saw videos on this guy, so I know like halfway through what to do. I'm assuming it's probably his clothing, so let's get to that. The arms and all the clothing piece, pretty easy. Now we're gonna get it's Velcro back here, and looks like I gotta put a sensor in there. So that's what we're gonna do now. This is the sensor. Velcro it into that hole right there. Got the sensor Velcroed in there. Now we're gonna grab the hands and throw those hands on. Creepy claws. If you would call these hands, what are they? Like claws, yeah. Got the hands on now. It's time for his head. Come around back. There we go. He's really holy. All right. Put those down there. Oh, forgot about these Velcro covers, so the cloth doesn't get stuck to it. All right, dude still gotta put his hood on. Gonna wire him up, put his hood on, and let's get to the demo. All right, got him all wired up. There's adapter. Smell what we all been waiting for. I think he's on sensor.
How dare you enter my voice? If you value your pathetic human life, turn back now. Or come closer, and you shall meet your doom.
Might not have plugged his head in.
I knew you would be here soon. You could say I have eyes all over.
Alrighty, so I need to plug his head in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lord Raven is awesome. Super smooth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.